Hello, in this short video I will be asking Richard Besant, one of Powdertech's directors, to chat about the Powdertech Anomatch range of finishes. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning.
Can you introduce the Anomatch range to us?
Yes, the Anomatch range is a range of high quality polyester powders which has been curated by us to develop a genuine alternative to the anodising process and an alternative choice in metal finishing. There are 16 colours ranging from the gold, silver, blue-grey and bronze finishes, and they're all Qualicoat Class 1 or Class 2 powders and come in a low gloss and pearlescent finish.
And this replicates architectural anodising?
Yes, it does. It's for architectural anodising.
And what led you to develop this range?
The range was developed around 2008 in response to customer demand. We'd sat in one too many meetings really where the customer was having problems with the anodising process and was looking to the powder coating industry to offer a genuine alternative. So this led me to almost literally look around the world for new colours that I thought represented the visual lightness, the colour range and of course the performance expectations of the anodising process.
So a customer-led development?
Yeah.
That's always a good route to pursue. And what are the benefits of using Anomatch? Does it fade or chip and can it be repaired? And how long would it last?
Well, the Anomatch process has many benefits. Anomatch products are the best quality polyester powders and they need to offer a genuine alternative for the fabricator. The Anomatch products, they don't need clamp areas that anodising does, so they're able to develop something with a greater design freedom. They can be applied to different substrates, and of course you can weld or bend or alternatively fabricate without the worries that you do get with anodising. And of course you don't get the piece to piece, batch to batch or project to project or even substrate to substrate inconsistencies in colour that you do with anodising. And for the architect, this is a genuine alternative in terms of the colour range and also of the performance of the product.
Do you offer any guarantees with the product?
Yes, all the anodised or the Anomatch products, I should say, do come with long-term guarantees for both colour, gloss, adhesion and corrosion.
And where can Anomatch be used?
Well, Anomatch can be used internally, externally, on a range of substrates, so such as obviously aluminium, galvanized steel and also mild steel, so from benign office environments in air conditioned right through to the marine environment.
Could you describe your favourite Anomatch job or favourite shade?
Yes, I think my favourite Anomatch job was the Genome Centre at Cambridge University. This was a perforated panel that was both bent and welded and to form a depiction of the tree of life. This required obviously a very close tolerance in colour between all of the panels, and so Anomatch was perfect for that, and also because of the amount of fabrication that there was with welding, the Anomatch product covered that up and that was not seen at all. And also what I liked about that job was the Anomatch finish was softer and more forgiving, and I think genuinely looked a really nice finished piece of work.
And that's a really great photograph.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Do you have another project that has stood in your mind?
Yeah, well, we've done a lot of projects. I think the other one was a job in London, near the city centre, called Senator House. This was actually a deceptively difficult piece of work because although essentially they're just plain rectangular window pods, the aluminium was different in different areas, a mixture of extruded and plate. It had to be welded, and also quite a lot of fettling. Anodising just could not have matched this finish, because Anomatch covered up all of those substrate issues and produced a really nice looking job. Perhaps not the most exciting one you'll ever see, but at least what it did was demonstrate the full range of the benefits that Anomatch can bring to the project.
So what have people said about Anomatch? Do you have any memorable compliments?
I think the best compliment is that people have never come back and said they wish they'd had anodising. In fact, as you can see from the photo on the right of the screen here, this job that was done in Knightsbridge, the anodised material was actually removed from the building, delivered to Powdertech, and we removed the anodising from it and recoated it in Anomatch. The reason for this was the anodising simply was not colour consistent from panel to panel, so when it was Anomatch finished, the finish was consistent of the building, and the customers actually delighted with the result. I've been back a couple of times and it still looks great.
In a world of ever shortening lead times, does Anomatch, is it a quicker process than anodising?
Yes, and it's more consistent lead times. Obviously it changes from job to job, but the Anomatch process is certainly a quicker turnaround.
And what plans do you have to further develop the range?
Well, from 2008 we've developed 2 ranges, and we are now seriously looking at a third to further enhance the visual and performance characteristics of the Anomatch range. We are entering into initial range product development, so watch this space. I'm sure there'll be something along soon.
And what is the best way for people to find out more?
Well, as you can see on the screen, there's our contact details there. You can give me a call or go and visit the website. We're always happy to speak to people.
And if people want samples, can they have samples of this?
Yes, they can. Again, ring the office, or you can go onto the website to the colour library and choose your colours from there, and it goes into a basket just like normal shopping, and they will be sent out to you, little credit card size colours sent directly to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.